Hi, this is Chris Converse, and this is a course on adding a jQuery-based tooltip to your website. I want to start by first showing the final project of what we're going to be creating. So I'm going to open the index.html file up in a browser. So when we roll over certain links inside of this document, you'll see that we have a tooltip that fades in. When I scroll away, it fades out. When it's on screen, it also follows the mouse. And another interesting aspect is we actually position the tooltip right and left. So notice if I'm on the left-hand side of the screen, the position of the tooltip's in on the right. And if I roll over a tooltip that's on the right-hand side, we position it in toward the left. We're also going to be creating two types of tooltips, one that just have simple text and one that have HTML formatted content and graphics like the one we're seeing here. And we're even going to detect for the height of the browser. So tooltips that are near the top of the screen will position the tooltip underneath of the cursor versus tooltips that will position themselves above the cursor. So to illustrate how we're going to do this, I want to bring up a sketch. So what we're going to be doing here is having HTML triggers on our page, and when our cursor rolls over one of the triggers, we're going to take a div, add content into it, and then attach the div near the mouse. So as the mouse moves around, the tooltip will move around, and then when we roll outside of the trigger, we're going to have the tooltip fade away. And we're going to be writing this in such a way that the content for the tooltips is going to be in the HTML and on the trigger, so you can have as many tooltips on a page as you want. So I hope this course sounds interesting to you, and if so, let's get started.